Good day, Miss Sharon. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. I'm Sharon Caparas, 30 years old. I'm married with 2 kids. My husband is a laborer. I have 1 brother, 5 sisters. My father is a farmer and my mother is a farmer too. I'm a college level. I have worked as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 2 years, since January 2007 to until January 2009. My major duties are child care, ages 5 to 12 years old.
Can you tell us your daily activities in taking care of children?
Yes, sir, madam. I prepare meals for them. I send them to school. I play with them and I read books to them. I love children very much.
Aside for taking care of children, what are your other duties from your previous employer?
Yes, sir, madam. I can cook, washing clothes and cleaning.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, sir, madam.
What kind of dishes you can prepare?
I can cook Philippine dishes, sir, madam.
Do you know how to go to market and do the marketing?
Yes, sir, madam.
Do you know the responsibilities of being domestic helper?
Yes, sir, madam.
And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to provide a better future for my kids.
Before we end, do you have any last message for your future employer?
Good day, sir, madam. Once again, I'm Sharon Caparas, 30 years old. If you choose me, I promise to serve your family and I promise to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you, sir, madam.
Thank you very much. Enough to see you soon in Hong Kong. Before we end, can you show your best smile?